In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add template in Sendgrid. Templates in Sendgrid let you design email content once and then reuse it in your messages. This is especially useful when you want dynamic content, like personalization fields, without rebuilding every email from scratch. To get started, you will sign in to Sendgrid and then navigate to the correct area where dynamic templates are created. First, sign in to Sendgrid. Make sure you use the account that has the right permissions to manage templates. After you log in, you should see the Sendgrid dashboard. Take a moment to orient yourself because the next steps depend on finding the right menu options. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the navigation area on the side or across the top. Next, select Email API. This section is where Sendgrid groups the tools and settings related to sending and managing email templates through their API features. By choosing Email API, you are moving into the part of the platform that includes dynamic template settings. From there, you will see options related to templates. The goal here is to reach the dynamic template builder, not the general settings. Now select Dynamic Templates. This is the place where you create templates that can support dynamic variables and different versions. Dynamic templates are designed to let you include placeholders in your email that you can fill at send time. When you click this option, the interface will typically show a list or an area for existing templates. If you have not created any before, you might see an empty state. Either way, you are ready to begin a new template. After that, select Create a Dynamic Template. This tells Sendgrid that you want to build a new template and not just view or edit an existing one. When you choose this, you should be taken to a creation screen where you will enter basic information. This step matters because the template name becomes the identifier you will use later when sending emails. Enter your template name. Choose a clear name that you will recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates. A good template name helps you stay organized. For example, you might choose something that reflects the type of email, like a welcome or notification template. After entering the name, proceed to the next action to confirm creation. Then select Create. This action will create the dynamic template container in Sendgrid. At this point, you are not yet done designing the email content. You have created the template entry so you can add versions and an actual design. Once Sendgrid creates the template, it will usually bring you to the area where you can add a version. Now, select Add Version. Sendgrid uses versions so you can update your template design over time while keeping the template reference stable. By adding a version, you prepare a specific design instance that can be edited and saved. You are essentially saying, this is the first version of the template design. Next, choose a template design option. This choice controls how you build the email content. Depending on your account and available features, you may see options such as starting from a blank template or using an editor approach. Select the option that best matches how you want to design your email. This step is important because it determines what editing tools are available right after. After choosing your design option, edit your template. In the editor, you will design the layout and content for the email. Update text, structure, and any placeholders as needed. If your dynamic content requires variables, you should ensure the correct merge fields are included where appropriate. Take your time here, because this is the part that affects the final email your recipients will see. When you finish editing, select Save Template. Saving confirms your changes to the dynamic template version. If you make updates later, you can add another version. But for now, your current version is stored and ready to use. After saving, you should see confirmation that the template was saved successfully. Double-check that the saved version exists in the template area so you can be confident everything is set. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.